am here with my bean.
Hello.
And we are going to do a hairstyle for her. She wanted a side ponytail. I don't know what it is about her and being obsessed with side ponytails, but it is very hard to keep her hair all pushed over to one side of her head without all this falling out within an hour. So I come up with an idea, and I'm going to do some boxes, some ponytails, and we will see how it looks. So let's get started. Alright, so we are going to do a side ponytail, but like I said, all her hair combed over like this will not last. It will last an hour, and all my efforts of putting it in a ponytail would go to waste. So what I'm going to do is make some parts here, and we're going to do our piggybacked ponytails over to the side. So I'm just going to be making a part all the way down. It's kind of angled, and it's coming all the way down to the middle of the back of her neck. And I started it about the outside of her eyebrow. So the outside, we brought it up, maybe a little farther in. And there you go. So we just have, let's turn your head, honey. This part, and it's coming all the way back. It's kind of slanted. Since we're going for the side ponytail, we're going to slant it over. So I'm gonna put that up. Now for here, I'm just gonna part this or separate this into some boxes. There we go. And pick your head up a little. All right, so we got a pretty decent sized box. They don't have to be super small. I mean, you can make them smaller. It's just a little more work for you. And it might turn out better, but we're going to go with the medium sized boxes here. And she wanted white and orange or red, whatever these rubber bands are. They're like an orangish red. So I'm just going to go back and forth between those colors. I soaked these in oil just so it's easier on her hair. You're too short.
I'm not.
No, you're not. Keep looking down. Alright, there you go. You got these two boxes. And I think I'll just do this whole piece right here as one. Okay, so let's see real quick. As you can see, we just took some boxes. We got 3, just parted. However big or small you want, you're just going to take this section here and part it. And then that's not enough to bring her hair all the way over. So we're going to make a second part. And we're going to go down the middle of her head. So coming from the tip of her nose, we're gonna go all the way back. All right, so our second part here was in the middle of her head. I just took it all the way back from the tip of her nose back down to the middle of the back of her head. Now as you can see, let's turn you a little. This part is smaller, but that's okay because we're just going to be bringing it over into this section. So now what you want to do is just make your parts again. You can keep them lined up with the first parts, just like that. Turn your head, honey. You gotta help me out here, girl. Just keep them lined up with the parts you already made. And you gather this one, this section. Bring it up into this one and put your ponytail in. Just like that. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Bring a couple of hairs down, alright? And so you're just going to do that for the other two sections here. Just keep the parts lined up together. Bring this section down here up into this one. And put your ponytail on. Try to line them up evenly too. Like with the first one and the next one, you want them all lined up. So it's nice and neat. Or you can have them all wonky, whatever you want. But I like to line mine up and line them up. Alright, let's do this last section back here. I'm gonna put a little edge control down here just to keep these hairs back here because they're so little. Orange. It's nice with the oil, soaking these in oil because it actually helps coat the hair as well. So you're just going to bring your first piece down here over to this new section, combine it, and add your rubber band. So this piece should be long enough, and this one to bring over to her side ponytail that she wants, because otherwise it would just fall apart so quickly. This way she can keep this style in for a couple days. This will last. So I'm just going to bring all this up into a ponytail. Brush here. And then you're just going to bring all these sections. Now you can, if you want, you can braid these, you can twist them, or you can just leave them like this. I find it easiest to leave like this if you want to fix this style, if you have to fix it over the next couple days. Just kind of comb everything back together. But you won't really have to fix these. These will stay pretty good. Put it all together. Put your ponytail in. And there you go. We're going to spray this a little. I'm going to get my Denman brush here. Just get these curls popping a little. I don't have my gel today, so I'm going to have to put in some different gel. But so curly, so cute. All right. And there we go, a super easy, super quick side ponytail that actually stays in the ponytail. For kids or adults that have hair that is so thin, it's so hard to keep in a ponytail, this is a great alternative. And this is one that she loves because she loves side ponytails for some reason. I don't know why, but she does. But there you go. As you can see, put your head up, there you go. As you can see, it's super cute, and it was very easy, simple, quick way to keep it. And this will actually stay in her hair, I want to say maybe 2 to 3 days. It's not a extra long style, but it's so easy. You can just do it again and then have it last a week. Alright guys, and that is the finished look. I hope you like it. It's just a simple, easy side ponytail for the little ones that love side ponytails, and it'll actually stay in pretty nice. So I want to thank you guys for watching.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe, share. You guys join us for more hairstyles, more tutorials, and to see more of this cutie, because she is cute. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.